here at HHN Hollywood. It's cold. Literally have my puff run. It's cold.
And I'm still cold. I have 2 layers on.
It's cold. So, first things first, we're definitely going to do the Tram.
I'm thinking my hood.
We're going to do the Tram first, for sure. I'll show you guys all the merch. And definitely the Jabberwockies. But yeah, it's very different from ours, so I'll show you. I know we haven't done a video at home yet, but I guess you'll see Hollywood first.
Yes. It's very busy.
Very
it's a lot busier than I thought. I wasn't sure what to expect.
It's been like dead here, but now it's like crazy busy.
But that's how it is at home too. Like it's dead during the day, but then when horror night starts, it gets packed.
Yeah. So I'll show you guys the crowds because it's intense.
It is intense.
So yeah, like when we came yesterday, the longest wait time was like 30 minutes, and it was for Simpsons. But yeah, this is busy. So the thing Hollywood does is early entrance. So I know we have Stay and Scream. This allows for the first hour if you have bought your tickets. Oh, it's Michael Myers. If you bought your tickets online, you do get within the first hour. You get to go in from 6 to 7.
Yeah, right now it's not 11:42. It's 6:45.
6:40.
So we're not really taking advantage.
No, we spent a lot of time at Buka. God, it's so loud.
It's intense.
Oh, okay, so only The Exorcist, Chainsaw, and Tram are early. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Where'd he go?
He's getting his steps on.
Where'd he go?
He's getting his steps on.
Okay, so we're heading to the Tram. So down in the lower lot we got Texas Chainsaw and The Exorcist. We passed Hill House and Pandora's Box, and those are already 45 minutes.
Yeah.
They didn't even say those were open though.
No, it didn't.
So maybe they're not open, but they're already like there's already people standing there.
Maybe, yeah. Or maybe they weren't going to open it, but there's probably too many people.
There's probably too many people. Yeah.
15 minutes for the
15 minutes for the Tram. Okay, here we go. So I wanted to do this later in the night so you guys can see. Because I feel like it's going to be really cool to get. It's obviously going to be scarier at night in the dark, but.
Yeah. We saw part of it.
We did.
Well, when we did the tour.
Yes.
They already had some stuff out.
Yes. It's so cool. They play like the announcement and everything. And I love like the classic Purge. Not really into this like Purge Forever thing.
Except Forever Purge.
Yeah, that.
I think they mixed them all.
this morning.
We were down there this morning. It's crazy that it's that close.
Light next to me, Tiffany. Would you like this light up? Because I use two lights. Sure. Yes, you guys think of all this.
It's illegal for 12 continuous hours, but you're being evacuated to a bird-free zone. Wasn't that nice of our new founding fathers? So for the next 12 hours, you can kick back, relax, and celebrate our nation's great tradition in safety and comfort. Here to tell us more about tonight's festivities is our official party planner, Jill Saint.
Okay, this is new. What is? Oh, that's a rabbit. Hey.
What is that?
Can anyone hear me?
Oh, we can hear you. What's up?
You have to help us. You've got to get these people out of here. You've got to do it now.
Where are you? Oh. That apple spoiled a bunch of... Oh, there she is. I guess we gotta take her back up to the hill. But this is the end of the line for you.
Oh, it's where you get out.
You're gonna head out to your left. Everyone, thank you for say goodbye.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Why are we the first ones off? Wow. What a good production. What a good production right there.
So we thought the movie scene, so during this, they don't do the movie scene.
Is this kid a little scared? Oh my god. Oh god, we're going by the Bates Hotel. Oh my girl! Oh, you're my favorite! Oh yes, classic.
It is classic.
They went too fast.
Oh, that was so good. We're gonna do a Psycho House photo op. This way, baby. That was so cool to go by Bates Motel. It's like the perfect setting. Oh, you're right there. He's the first.
They blend in so well back there.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
You guys are down with your house?
This is intense.
Yeah. This is the greatest thing. You never have a problem. Oh my god. You never have a problem talking to these guys. Cafe, you move too fast.
I had a nice conversation.
Oh, it's a girl. I love her. You got my picture.
What?
I think got my picture.
I like that there's enough room out here that you can like stop and look at it. Like they don't just shut
Well done. Well done. Oh, he almost stabbed me.
They get really close here.
Yeah, they do. That was amazing! Amazing! Amazing. We're definitely gonna go through again later. So good. So that's where everything is. It's so they let the regular crowd in now. You could tell. Whoa. We're going the wrong way. All right, we are making it straight into the Jabberwocky 7:30 show. See, it's hard for us here because we don't have frequent fear. So it's just like, oh, well, if you can make it in, let's just go.
Yeah. Yeah. Not like, oh, well, we can do it next time.
Yeah.
Like, oh, gotta do it.
Okay, we just got out of the show. We like ours better. This is still, they do good.
Yeah.
But it's just, yeah.
It's always impressive because, like,
Yeah.
I can't break it.
Yes, it's impressive. I'm definitely not gonna knock it. It's not impressive. It is. But like we have like acrobats and like pyro. It's pyro.
It's pyro.
It's pyro. It's so weird. We have to go through Hogwarts to get to Hill House.
Yeah. So for those who have seen the show, apparently it takes place in Hogsmeade. Apparently Hill House is, I don't know. Right by Hollywood.
Apparently. Yeah.
It's in the neighborhood.
Yeah. So they actually light their cast a lot more at night, like unlike ours. We just like ours is more like shining lights on it. They actually put a projection on it. Oh, get it. Hill House, this way.
It's way cooler than our house.
Anything your heart desires.
No, I think next year is going to be Fear Street.
This way. Oh, they do have frequent fear here. We didn't know that. Okay. Hill House to the left. Right here? Where's the house? There's just that little tent? Okay. Oh yeah, there's Pandora's box.
How is that any different from what it just looks different? It's
The
not
little
like a bubble.
tent? Yeah, but Hill House for us is in sound stage like 24.
Yeah, but it's probably the same size on the inside.
What do we got here? Michael 40. Is that really 50 minutes? Why would you go on Forbidden Journey right now? Okay. Hill House 65.
It was 45 when we got in line.
Yeah. Purge.
Oh, it's 45 for the
45. Pandora's box 45. Actually, 60.
These are much longer than our wait
Where's
times.
Texas? Nope. Oh yeah, we got one more.
And then Frankenstein.
Oh yeah, Frankenstein. I mean that's about right.
That's about right.
So the best part I do love about them is that since we're down here, we can go right to Pandora's box without walking all the way back to the park. Because we have those where it's like you have the two right by each other, but yet you have to walk all the way back through. So I do like that. Almost there. We're gonna see if it's much different from ours. I feel like it's gonna be different. Okay, we just got out of Hill House. Completely different. Totally different than ours.
I didn't think it would be that different.
So different. I think I like this one more just because you have more of the storytelling. This, like ours is much more.
I think ours has more like jump scares.
Yeah.
And this one's more like full scenes.
Yes, because they have like the full like tea party scene, the basement. Like we don't have the full basement. Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna be that different.
No, it was very, very different.
The bed neck lady is in there quite a bit. I would say we have more. This one has more bed neck ladies than like top hat guys.
Yeah.
There's only like one of those in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. They both are good in their own way.
Yeah. I mean, ours is it's bigger, obviously.
It's
We
bigger.
have the full house facade at the start, which is cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know.
This one is more. If you love the show, you're gonna like this one more. If you want more scares, you're gonna like ours more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh!